Next week, I'm doing 2 very special Q&As. So I wanted to ask you if you had any questions. So the first Q&A that I'm doing is going to be to do with bike fit. I'm actually going to get a bike fit next week. So the guy that is doing the bike fit has very kindly offered to do a Q&A. And this guy, I'm not going to say who it is yet, but this guy is he's just the top guy that you would want to do a bike fit in the UK, in my opinion. He is incredible and he has fitted some absolute just, I'll not say anymore anyway, but he's very good at bike fitting and is just incredible. So yeah, if you've got any questions to do with bike fit, then leave them in the comments below. And then I am also doing a Q&A with one of my lovely coaches. And so yeah, if you've got any questions about being coached, literally any question that you want answering, then leave them in the comments and I will try and do it. But if you didn't know, I have been being coached since maybe, I don't know, January? February? I can't even remember how long I've been coached. Fair while, but my watts, endurance, it's just all gone up and I'm really, really impressed and happy with how it's going. And so just want to offer you the opportunity to ask a coach on anything you like, really. So even if you think it's like such a simple question for either of these Q&As, if you think it's the most ridiculous question, then don't feel silly to ask it, because everyone's got questions and then there's probably someone else that wants that same question answering. So leave them all in the comments and I will look through them and I'll try and get through as many of them as I can in the Q&As next week. So yeah, nice short and sweet video. So yeah, leave your comments below and I will see you next video.